So guys, today, yeah, oh dear me, oh dear me. Okay guys, today we're going to be doing talk and shooting some Nerf guns. So yeah, let's get into this. Guys, first of all we got this little gun, which is, these are all my Nerf guns guys, and one of them is my brother. So well, first it's this one. It's a Nerf gun. It's got this thing at the front, it can aim, I think. It's got a red light that comes up. I'm about to aim, put it into a target. So not the red light, it's a laser kind of thing. So shoot it. So yeah, that's the first gun basically. It's quite a nice gun. It's got two spaces for bullets to come in. So I quite like that. It's got finger holds. This thing which you pull back and then shoot. Look, it comes back quite quickly. So yeah, and it's got a space for something to go on the top. I'm just gonna show you. So at first guys, this is meant to go on another gun, which I'm not going to tell you. If you pause the video now and say what gun it is first, you have to pause it please. Yeah, if you know what other Nerf gun this is from, which I'm going to be showing you later in the video. So yeah guys, this is quite a cool gun, and yeah, the bullets here, this is not exact bullet for it, but I'll show you the bullets for it in a minute. So yeah guys, let's move on to the next gun. Guys, this is the next gun. Got the A bullet for it. Quite a cool bullet, so it makes a funny whistly noise in the air, which you can't hear, but that's just me whistling. But yeah guys, wow. This is called, I think it's called the zombie gun. Nerf side strike gun. It's quite a cool Nerf gun. It's my brother's. But yeah, look at that. But the Z, I think, is for zombies. So yeah, and it's got two spaces for holders. Grip for your hand. It's quite a new modern gun. Shoots pretty quick. And yeah. So I kind of like this gun, but yeah, I'll show it for you. Shoots quicker than this one, the one I've just showed you back here. Which I'll give you a demo of how quick they shoot. Oh wait, no, that wasn't fair. I shot one before the other. But you guys, moving on to the last gun. Definitely not least is this. Modular, so I don't even think I can put it all in the screen. Makes that noise. It came with a magazine. This thing's called a magazine, you can take it out, but then normally all the bullets come out. And at this moment in time, all of the bullets are coming out. Oh yeah? Have you used them? I've used them. But yeah, oops, I've jammed a bullet. These are so easy to jam. But yeah, guys, yeah. So now, wait, this was the gun I was showing you, and you have to say, because you have to put this thing in. But look at nozzle, you look down. So I'm gonna close it. These out. and hold that and hold that. Look through the side. It's on the wrong side. Wait. What side do I look down? It's on the wrong side. It should be on this side. So I actually look down that side. Like that. So guys, I'm going to take some pics of me taking some shots. So guys, first the modulus. It's got these things which you can stand on the ground. Stand like that on the ground. Yeah. Oh wait. Jammed. Keep track of how many times I say jammed with this gun. Something fell loose. Okay. I think I've broken it. I feel like it's jammed. Please, it's really loose. I jammed. Try comment how many times I said jammed. Jammed. I'm not saying like a jam jar, like that kind of jam. I'm saying jammed. It's so hard, this one. Oh my gosh. You know what? This is one of the poopy guns for not being jammed. So guys, next we've got this, the zombie sight strike. So yeah, it's quite a good gun. It's my brother's, as I said. Now, moving on to my first Nerf gun I've ever got. So guys, that is going to be the video for today. But I hope you like the Nerf video we have just done. But yeah guys, please subscribe for more videos. And we've just reached 40 subscribers, so when we reach 50, I'm going to do something mad like, I don't know, like Giants Jump Evolution or something like that. I'm going to do something or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to buy something, maybe that. Comment down below, give me some ideas what I should do. So yeah, but for 50 subs. And yeah guys, hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.
I'm so hot, I'm so cold, I'm feeling lost.